are the properties of a well-written text. Number 1. Organization. This is the arrangement of ideas in a text. To achieve good organization of a text, create first an outline as a guide. Considering the sample text, it has achieved organization since ideas are arranged logically. The text started with a short background of the name Yolanda, then mentioned about a typhoon with the same name. The next paragraphs talked about Typhoon Yolanda, from its wind velocity to its damage to property to the number of deaths. Number 2. Coherence and cohesion. This pertains to the connection of ideas, sentences, and paragraphs. To have a smooth flow of ideas, use transitional and cohesive devices. On the second paragraph of the text, Choli was used to emphasize Yolanda being the mother of all typhoons, while on the fifth paragraph, in contrast, was used to differentiate the damage to property of typhoons Pablo and Yolanda. Here are the sample transitional devices that we can use. Number 3. Appropriate language use. This is the acceptable style of language. For example, in business correspondences, use concise, not wordy phrases, and formal words. While the literary pieces, the words used are less formal and more creative. The sample text use formal words since the text conveys information about the typhoons from the past. Number 4. Proper mechanics. This refers to the conventions of writing, which includes capitalization, punctuation, spelling, contractions, abbreviations, and acronyms. The first letters of Tacloban, Leyte, Hurricane Camille, and Typhoon Yolanda were capitalized because these are proper nouns. On the other hand, all letters of CNN, Pagasa, and NDRRMC were all written in capital letters because these are acronyms.